Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So today we are starting our new chapter, that is our environment. Okay, that means in this chapter we have to learn about our environment, what is environment and what makes our environment dirty or clean, what is acid rain, what is global warming, okay, and what are the pollutions and how we can uh, remove or how we can make less pollution to our environment. So first thing which we have to learn about our environment, that is what is environment. Okay, so first we have to know about this word environment. So basically, if we will talk about the environment, so the surroundings, whatever surroundings we have, these all our environment. That means we can also say that the different conditions in which we are living all includes our environment. Okay, first thing, the surroundings, or second thing, we can say that conditions in which we are surviving or we are living is known as our environment. So as environment has both living and non-living things, like if we will talk about the soil, air, water, all the includes in the environment. Okay, and if we will talk about then what is the need of environment for us, so if the answer will be that whatever we have a need for our survival, we all those things we get from our environment. Means whenever we talk about the survival, so whatever things we need to survive, these things we get from the environment. What are these things which we get from the environment? So that will be that we get food, water, air, shelter. Okay, and also as well as the conditions for survival. These all things we get from the environment. Okay, so that is now why we are talking about today, why we are talking about the environment, and what is the need to learn about the environment in this in our class or in the class 4. So that is that so the answer will be that it is our duty to keep our environment clean. Why? Because all we got the things that whatever things we need to survive on the earth, or we can say, so we all get these things from our environment. If we are continuously making our environment dirty, that means we will get back all the dirty things from the environment. So that means it is our priority to keep our environment clean. Okay, now why only us? Because among all the living organisms, like animals, insects, okay, birds, whatever we will talk about the living organisms, human beings are the most responsible for spoiling the environment. Okay, all we know this thing, how we are spoiling the environment. We are using the plastic, we are throwing this garbage, we are using so many chemicals. These things are we are also making our water dirty. That means we are spoiling our environment, or we are making our environment dirty. How? We are also cutting trees, continuously cutting the trees, or we are doing the deforestations for making house, for making factories, for making a mall, etc. That means we are also spoiling the environment. So what happened? If we are spoiling these natural things from our environment, that means we are also getting very bad effect from the environment, such as global warming, okay, air pollution, water pollution. These all the things we are also getting back from the environment, which is also harmful for us. So what we learned today, that means if we are doing or we are sending any harmful things to the environment, after some times or instantly we will get back the harmful things from our environment. So this means anyhow we have to keep our environment clean because it is our duty. Okay, it is our priority to keep our environment clean.